Want to make an Instagram story that looks like this? Or what about this? Or maybe this? Well, these Instagram stories were all made without an expensive camera, software, or a design team. In fact, they were all made by our social team using only our phones. Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Christine from Later, and today we're going to be talking about 5 Instagram Stories apps that will help you create animated and really engaging stories. If you're looking for some more Instagram tips and tricks, make sure that you tap that subscribe button so that you stay up to date with all of our videos. You can also find all of the apps that I'm going to be talking about in this video in the description below. Animated Instagram Stories app number 1, Mojo. So the first app that I'm going to show you is an app called Mojo. This app has everything you need to create stunning animated stories. As you can see, they have hundreds of templates to choose from. Mojo's templates are completely customizable, so you can add in different bits of text, you can swap out videos and photos, and you can even add your brand's logo, fonts, and colors. So my favorite thing about Mojo is how easy it is to animate text. Let's say I want to promote a new YouTube video. I'm just going to go in and select this digital template and add in a video to the phone screen. And then from there, I can edit the text and just going to say new YouTube video. So from there, I'm also going to add a swipe up CTA just by clicking this symbol and selecting this text. And then I'm just going to place it right here. After that, I can also choose to change the color of the background, change the font, but yeah, there's a lot of different options you can use for this app. So once you've got an Instagram story that you're happy with, you can either save it or send it directly to your Instagram stories. And that's it. Instagram Stories app number 2, Over. When it comes to designing Instagram stories, Over is also an app that our social team loves. It's jam-packed with tools, templates, and animated graphics to help you create high-quality stories content. So Over has a massive stock library that has tons of animated graphics to bring some life to your stories. If you want to find out more about creating cool content in the Over app, check out our free video workshop, How to Design Instagram Stories That'll Captivate Your Audience. I'll pop a link to it above, and I'll also add it to the video description. Animated Instagram Stories app number 3, Adobe Spark. When you hear about Adobe, you might think of professional graphic designers or photographers or video teams. But Adobe Spark is an app that definitely works for social media managers too. If you want to add a touch of animation or maybe some subtle, oh my god. Yes. If you want to add a touch of animation or maybe some subtle movement to your graphics, you can easily do this with zero design experience. The free app gives you access to thousands of templates with millions of free stock photos, filters, and fonts that will perfectly align with your brand. Also, I have a little known Later hack to share with you. Did you know that you can send the content you create in Adobe Spark straight to your Later media library? All you need to do is download the Later Chrome extension on your desktop. So the Chrome extension lets you share images straight from Adobe Spark into Later. It's a really easy way to transfer your Instagram story designs from Adobe into Later, and you don't need to download files or use any file sharing links. Animated Instagram Stories app number 4, Lapse. Okay, so if you haven't heard about Lapse app, do that again. So if you haven't heard about the Lapse app yet, go and do yourself a favor and download it right now. This app makes it really easy to create stop motion videos straight from your phone, and they also have some handy tutorial guides if you need some extra help. It's also totally free. On top of creating high-quality stop-motion videos, the app is jam-packed with editing tools, including filters and stock music, so your stories will have a high production look without the high production cost. Animated Instagram Stories app number 5, Patternator. And finally, last but not least, we have the Patternator app. This app allows you to turn your images into super fun animated icons. You can either select a photo from your camera roll, take a photo, or search for a GIF from the app's built-in Giphy library. So I'm just gonna type in Later GIFs, and then from there, you can just choose a GIF that you wanna use, and then you can easily adjust the scale of it, the spacing, or even the background color. There's just a ton of editing options available. And then all you need to do from there is export it. Patternator is a super easy and fun way to add a little pop of animation to your stories. So there you have it, 5 of Later's favorite apps to create animated Instagram stories. I think the most important thing to keep in mind is that when you are using these apps, make sure that you're creating stories that fit your brand's aesthetic and goals. And if you're looking for some more app recommendations, I am going to link a post in this video description that covers all of the best editing apps for Instagram. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, or just leave us a comment below, and I'll see you next time.
Oh.
Cute.